Breaking news now, a group of Chesapeake parents is suing Governor Glenn Youngkin over an order rescinding the state's public school mask mandate. The parents claim it violates state law. They filed the lawsuit today and are urging the state Supreme Court to act quickly. Governor Youngkin's team has not responded yet. We'll watch what happens to this one. Meanwhile, school leaders across Virginia are trying to figure out their next moves when it comes to that mask order. In Hampton Roads, many divisions say they need more guidance. Allison Basil talked to a lawyer about what powers the governor has when it comes to enforcing the order.
There's a lot of pressure on Virginia's school leaders right now.
Well, our school administration has been working countless around the clock since the executive order to do what's best for everyone and to follow the law.
Governor Glenn Youngkin's new executive order makes masks optional in schools on Monday. School board member John Ely says the Newport News School Division is aiming to give parents further guidance this Friday.
Speaking on what I want to follow the law, and whatever that looks like, let's abide by the law.
Competing with the executive order is Senate Bill 1303. The law requires school boards to offer in-person instruction to students and follow CDC recommendations to the maximum extent practicable, which includes wearing masks. Tim Anderson is one of our new state delegates. He is also a lawyer. From a legal standpoint, he says whether school boards decide to follow Youngkin's order or SB 1303, lawsuits will erupt on both sides.
Look, school boards are in tough positions. You know, they're going to say you have to wear masks, and you're going to have parents suing saying you don't have to, and you're going to have school boards saying you don't have to have masks, and you have parents saying you do have to.
He says Youngkin could also sue school divisions that decide to disobey his order.
I think that the Attorney General could bring a lawsuit on behalf of the Commonwealth that says that that 1303 does not require people to wear masks.
Anderson says the Senate bill will end in August, likely before any of the lawsuits have rulings.
It will be clear that masks will be optional in schools moving forward.
In Newport News, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
Anderson says the governor's order rescinds the former health commissioner's order, which required masks in all schools, public and private. Since Senate Bill 1303 only covers public schools, Anderson says that clears the way for the order to apply to private schools.
At least 2 school boards are calling special meetings to discuss how to handle the mask order. Chesapeake's board will meet Thursday night at 5. Virginia Beach's meets the same time at 5:30. In both cases, you can attend in person if you would like, but there's no public comment. While school divisions evaluate how to react to the governor's order, General Assembly Democrats say the order violates state law and they're prepared to fight it. Here's Mike Gooding.
General Assembly Republicans are applauding Governor Glenn Youngkin's order to empower parents to decide whether children should wear masks in school.
And he's doing exactly what he campaigned on and what he said he would do on the campaign trail. And I believe that's why he was elected. We're going to put our children first, and he's going to make sure that parents are involved in decisions about education, and we're not going to apologize for that.
But Youngkin's executive order number 2 to give parents the choice to send their child to public school without a mask and without any reason is drawing much pushback from General Assembly Democrats.
The communities as a whole will suffer. It will all be because we did not listen to our teachers when they asked for help. We did not listen to our teachers, something every child learns in kindergarten.
House and Senate Democrats said Tuesday that Youngkin's order violates state law, and they're willing to do whatever it takes to fight Youngkin on the mask mandate rollback, even taking him to court if need be.
If he were to try and withhold funding from public school divisions, we're not going to take any option off the table because it's our belief that we need to do everything and anything to protect the students, the staff, the teachers.
The executive order is supposed to take effect next Monday, January 24th. Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
Republican lawmakers maintain that the governor's order does not ban masks. It simply gives options to parents.